What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. For this video, yes, I have another tutorial for you. So I have an idea. You might be, like fed up with me by the time that we're done, because August is my birthday month. If you follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, you guys already know I kind of was like too geeked out today. Today's August 1st. So I'm hoping that you guys are seeing this on August 1st. Yes, so it is my birthday month. Leos, what's good? What's good, Leos? Leos in the house. Roar. So I have an idea of doing a single video every single day leading up to my actual birthday date. I thought it'd be really cool because I thought about, what's gonna make me happy this year, what's gonna keep me happy. And honestly, I am so grateful that I found another outlet for myself, that I found another passion, because I love making videos for you guys. So that is what I want to do for my birthday month. One single video every single day up to the 22nd of August. That's your girl's birthday. That's your girl's birthday. So the videos that I want to make for you guys, I was thinking of being just, looks that I would want to wear for my birthdays. So for the first video is a smoky eye. This is my smoky eye. It has all the drama. Yeah, so I paired that up with a nude lip, and I just cut my hair a couple days ago. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Do you guys like the bob? So if you want to learn how to do this smoky eye round shape tutorials, then keep watching my channel. Let's go. I'm so excited.